in 6 months' time former President Jacob Zuma will yet again head to court for his corruption trial. But until then, Zuma has called on all black people irrespective of their political party affiliation to unite in order to complete their struggle for liberation and transformation, including land expropriation. Addressing hundreds of his supporters outside the Pietermaritzburg High Court after his case was postponed, Zuma said that defeating apartheid did not mean freedom as there was still colonialism to be fought. I know that when I say this, those are going to accuse me of racism. From who was the land taken away? Wasn't it stolen from black people? Who is without land in South Africa? Is it not a black person? There is nothing wrong about telling the truth, that as black people, who are a majority, we are subjected to poverty as we are not in charge of the economy, he said. He made a brief appearance in court before Judge Isaac Madondo postponed the case to May 20 in order to give the prosecuting team time to file a responding affidavit opposing Zuma's application for the permanent stay of prosecution. His co-accused, French arms company Thales, also applied for the case to be struck off the roll. Among Zuma's supporters in court were former Northwest Premier and ANC Provincial Secretary Supramahumaiplo, Umkhonto we Sizwe Military Veterans Association leader Karl Nhauss, former COSATU President Stu Dlamini and former Communications Minister Faith Muthambi. Zuma gave supporters a history of how the continent was colonized. Europeans met in Germany and conspired to move to Africa to subdivide the continent among themselves, and they call the pieces of land colonies. They took everything, including our political power, economic power and land. There are companies that are exporting the African economy under company law. They just take gold, diamonds and everything from underground, and you can never stop them because of the laws that were passed without us, he said.